Hello everyone. Take the hair and then divide it into 3 portions and start to braid it. Roll it upwards and fasten it in its place. Start off by tying a ponytail and then roll this ponytail upwards. Taking the extra parts of it, divide it into 2 sections and then make a braid out of one of the sections and then the other. Crisscross them both. Tie a ponytail, then in the middle tie a rubber band to it and lift it up accordingly. Make another lump as such. At the bottom, tie a rubber band, roll the hair in on itself, wrap it around the 2 lumps. Take 2 sections from either side of the hair, tie it up at the back. Tie a rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. Do this twice and then pull it through. Repeat this step once more. You may do it as many times as you like. Section out a portion of the front of the hair, and as for the back, tie a rubber band and make a ponytail out of it. Roll the hair in on itself. Make a bun out of it. Make a braid on the side. Take 2 sections, join it together at the back, roll it in on itself. Do this with another section and then yet another. Make a braid with the rest of the hair and lift it up and put it in place. Start off by tying a ponytail and then roll the hair in on itself on the side. Tie a rubber band to the base. Fasten it in its place and then lift it up and put it around as such. Take a stick and then roll it up using the stick. Insert more and more hair into it using the stick by twisting it as such. Do this until you reach the other side and adjust it accordingly. Divide the hair into 6 portions as such. Make a braid out of them using all of the pieces. Leave out 2 sections on the side, however, roll the middle braid upwards. As for the sides, fasten it around. Take 2 sections of the hair and then tie it up at the back as such. Roll the hair in on itself. Do the same with another 2 sections at the back. Normally braid the bottom. Once you are done with this, roll it upwards and fasten it in its place. Next, start off by taking 2 sections from either side, tie it up at the back. With the rest of the hair, make a braid that is connected as such, roll it inwards. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Divide this into 2 sections, add a rubber band in the middle. Roll the hair in on itself. Pull it through as such. Take 2 sections of the hair and tie it up at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle for 5 sections of the hair. Roll all of them in on themselves. Once you are done with this, put it through the top section that you had created. Braid the extra portions that you have created. Roll it upwards. Start off by tying a ponytail, make a hole in the ponytail and put the ponytail through. Make 2 braids out of the sections that you have created and then roll it upwards. You can make 3 braids too if you please. Take 2 sections, join it at the back and then tie a rubber band to it. Take another section from the left side and then put it through the section that you had initially created. Do the same on the right side as well. Start off by sectioning the top of the hair and then make 2 braids out of it. For each of the braids, put different sections of the hair through these braids. In the middle with the hair that you have created, begin to braid the hair. Interlock them as such. Once again, pull them through. Thank you for watching.